Okay. Wait, I still have a full sack. Wait, after me.
Mariano, parang tinatamad ako pumasok bukas.
Palagi naman eh. That's
No, like
actually
bukas. Kasi wala naman gagawin eh. Ay, yung sa Genmat, yung ano. Kasi wala naman gagawin.
Let's play this music while waiting for Goose.
Mayano because of that, ikaw yung huli kong i-revive.
Ha?
Ikaw yung huli kong i-revive.
Okay, anyway wala. Tunga na ako.
Suitcase, please be a medkit, please. Yes! I have a medkit! Who died first? Wait, whoever died first and whoever revived first.
JP died first.
JP, you died first, diba? JP or Mariana died first? Who died first? Oh, JP, did you die first or did Mariana die first?
Revive JP first.
Ikaw na nga lang. Wait, JP. He's not talking. Ikaw na lang.
You just want me to suffer.
Yay!
Okay, we have 2 minutes to find another one.
No. Wait, put all of the stuff first. You make ano. Ang dami ko nang nilapag dyan. Gumawa ka na ng ano. Mga supplies.
Okay. What kind of supplies?
The next one I'll revive is JP. Sorry, Tony, ikaw na.
What kind of supplies do you want me to make?
We need weapons. There's one more!
Really nice.
No, I meant a barbarian. Banana? Ano para sa... Oh wait, Mariano, try to see if I had their vitamins. Try checking if that will heal them.
Okay. Kasi yung vitamin, somebody picked it up yata eh. Di ba pag namatay ka?
No, I just left it on the boat.
Yeah, it's not on the boat though. You don't see it on the boat. All I see is the headgear.
Okay, wait, I'm gonna read one last. There's a shark.
I didn't see kanina. Vitamins. I didn't see one kanina.
Baka may kumuha.
Ask Tony.
I got bullet ammo. Oh, putek. Patay na ako dito. Help.
You're dead?
No. I got ammo. I have ammo. I think I have ammo for the spear gun, JP.
Nice. But it's with me. I'm dead.
No, it's okay. You're gonna get revived next. I'm sacrificing my life looking for one. Get away!
Go back!
Give me the ammo!
Yeah. Okay. Go back!
Bro, I love it when your boy shouting. It's entertaining.
Where are you? Go back!
Putang ina, may shark, wala mamamat. The fish is after me!
I will try to...
The fish is after me!
Kago, it's in fighting position!
Nasaan ka ba?
Kago, putang ina, wala na, patay na ako. I'm dead.
I will try to
I'm dead.
bait it. Ibang fish ba?
I'm in the oil rig.
Are you safe there?
No, I don't know. Naghahanap na ako dito.
Bro!
What?
There was a med kit here the whole time.
Get it. Revive
But
it.
it's glitched.
Tony, you're next, ha?
It's glitched though. I can't get it.
Is it on the table?
Yeah. Sa may table, sa may thingy.
Bro, that's just for design. That's not an actual medkit.
Oh, okay.
Wait, I'm gonna eat muna. I'm gonna eat.
Eat in real life or eat in the game?
In the game.
Mag-fish muna. Ay, wala. Daytime na. Ano, Kus, meron dyan, medkit?
Well, I'll keep finding. I'll keep swimming.
Okay. I'm gonna go the other
Don't worry,
direction.
JP, there's a big ass shark. Bro, I'm about to lose all my hunger.
Did you even eat?
Fuck, there's another barbarian.
I'm so stupid. I should have brought food before I left.
I told you guys, you should have went home na.
Wala, I'm gonna die, bro.
Bro,
I need
there
to
were like
eat.
5 guys on me at the same time.
I got another spear gun. Don't worry. Just gotta bounce through these bubbles.
We just need at least one medkit.
Wait, I can't find one. I'm finding guns, but not medkits. Oh, gago. Oh, gago ka. Gago ka.
Guns are useless if you don't have the manpower.
Kaya nga.
I quit the fin. I have fins. I swim faster now in the
Yeah,
water.
me too. Yun, nasak.
Wait lang, I'm trying to bait this guy out of the water. Since I'm way faster than them, I'm just gonna bait them out and then get that spear gun. I have so much spear gun ammo naman. Okay, I'm running back. If you have 0 hunger na, does that automatically mean you die?
You're gonna die slowly.
It won't let me open the stupid door. It won't let me get the spear gun.
Bahala na yung spear gun. Just trying to get something for JP. We need to revive him and Tony.
Aray, nananaksak. Bobo. Okay, kill them both. I'm gonna get that spear gun now. Bro, it's locked in here. How do I open the door? Oh, the door's open the entire time. I'm just a dumbass. Okay, I'm gonna run back na. Wala akong nahanap, sorry. No. We can fish for a medkit, Mariano.
Oo nga, no? I'll go back na after this.
In real life, can you revive?
I got the medkit! There's a shark on me though!
Yun lang.
Okay. Swim, nigga, swim! I'm coming back, JP!
Yes, daddy.
I have a medkit for you!
Yes,
Look at this
daddy.
Mariano, bro. Ako lahat nagre-revive sa inyong lahat kasi Mariano ang ginagawa.
Yes, daddy.
Here you go! Let's go!
Yeah!
Bro, I have literally, I'm about to die of hunger. Mariano did not cook a single thing.
I farm
Mariano ate
potatoes.
everything but he can't cook. Joke lang.
Sorry, I ate all the potatoes.
This dude. I'm going back. Mamamatay pa ako dito.
Hey, who literally, who killed all the barbarian?
Oh, look. Yoboy.
Oh, he got a chest.
Oh, I got
Open
another
it, open
medkit.
it.
I got another medkit.
For Tony, give it to Tony.
Bro, there was a medkit right beside our, in the boat right beside our raft.
Tony, you're gonna get healed. Tony, you're gonna get healed.
Yan.
Why are we shaking?
I don't know.
The monster.
Oh!
Are we gonna get attacked
Can I spear
again?
gun this? Revive him here! Drop the medkit, drop it. Go, revive him. Ayun, Tony, you're alive.
Everybody fish muna.
That's what I'm doing.
Yeah, fish.
We need a lot of food.
We have no more food.
Yung potatoes, somebody harvest the potatoes.
I ate them already.
No, it's a farm.
Here.
Just harvest it and
Tony got my rotten.
Cook it.
harvest these and cook these. Sayang, oh.
Tony, harvest.
Mga patatas.
There's no meat in this game. We're in the ocean.
There is.
Human meat, Tony. The heck, malalaman ka doon. Where's the meat? Wala namang meat dito eh.
Here, food. Here.
I have food.
Can someone open this chest? I'm gonna keep it.
Mariano got armor. The heck is stacked while we...
Mariano!
Bro, tignan mo pa flippers niya. Yung professional grade flippers. Tignan mo flippers ko, kinakalawang. Itong Mariano talaga. Kaya pala ako lahat nakahanap ng medkit. Naghahanap ko ng armor. Nag-shopping si boy. Bro.
Oh, dami material. So, look. There. Put it in the
Hindi mo
shredder.
yan nakarang doon.
Oh, yo, boy, those things make you swim faster, the one you're wearing.
Yeah, but Mariano has like the scuba diving professional.
Oh, what the hell?
It's fashion,
Bro,
yeah.
when I was getting chased by all those people.
Oh, ako naman yung lalakwa siya.
Okay.
Okay.
Bring a spear gun with you.
Yeah, but very good.
Where did you go, Mariano?
I'm making lakwacha also.
Okay. Wait, Tony, I'm fishing. Get get wood and
Yeah, I'm
metal.
getting
We're gonna get furniture. Don't leave the game, Tony. No. Don't leave. You're not gonna play with your friends naman eh.
Oh no.
You guys still have 2 minutes, it's fine.
Okay.
You can AFK muna. Pero at night, that's your duty.
Where's the fish with big ass eyes on me?
Wag. Malakas yan. That does the high damage.
Can you carry two stuff at the same time or no?
No.
So you have
Keep
to
it in your
return
sack.
it.
Store it in your sack.
How?
Click your sack and then click on the thing.
Oh, store. Okay, there. The containers are useless. They don't give anything much.
Bro, we have to start making weapons pag pinuntahan tayo.
I have a spear gun na also.
Let me get yung spear gun mo, my scope, 50
Whoa.
round mag.
I don't know. Basta
Oh, I got
60 lang
old
yung ammo
pills
ko.
too. Use.
And I got iron armor also.
Yo,
You're
bro,
welcome.
you ball. Gago talaga to. Nakahubad pa kami, tas ikaw naka-iron armor na.
See, I'm back, Pookie.
You suck, bro. You suck. Pero pag kailangan kami na doon na. Pag kailangan ka sa defense, pag ina-atake na tayo, nasaan ka?
Ako na naman ngayon. Don't worry, man. Look, I got medkit. See? Oh, you see that?
Kung kailan hindi na kailangan doon mo. Your sack only holds 10. My sack holds 20.
Oh, you have a bigger sack.
Hey, yo.
That sounds wrong.
JP, balik ka na, JP. It's nighttime. Where's JP at?
Oh shit, I'm dead. I saw the monster.
Wait, I'm gonna hit him with the spear gun.
You're alive. Okay lang, you're safe.
I hit him with the spear gun.
Yun, ang daming isda. Good, who's wishing?
You welcome.
JP,
Was it
we're
worth
wishing.
it for your iron armor?
Yes, very worth it.
Kami naman ni Tony maglalakwatsa. Tayo naman nandito.
I'll be
Bro, I don't know where my ammo went. I had like boxes of ammo here. Nasa inventory ko ba?
Yun, nice one, JP.
Yeah. Did I make the raft bigger?
Yeah, you did.
Yeah.
Nice.
We need to add furniture and we need to like make guns.
We need to defend.
Yeah.
We need to make defense also.
Yun nga, craft weapons and stuff.
Para hindi pumasok yung mga to.
I need to eat.
We're so low on wood, bro.
Oops. Ito, may puno tayo.
Tonight, will be a talk daw. Who was what you call that?
Tony, come on, we have to
What's
start
the gun? I have a
strong.
gun. Who else has a gun?
I have a gun
Spear
also.
gun? Ako.
Yeah.
I have a spear
gun
gun.
too. Tony
But we
doesn't
need
have
to
a
find
gun.
ammo. We need to find ammo.
Yeah.
Gumawa muna ako ng isang tower for defense. Para we have
You can.
in case nabababa yung head, just climb up here.
The places with fog means you haven't discovered it yet, diba?
Parang.
Okay, just keep exploring the places with fog because they don't restock. So pag nabuksan mo na, nabuksan mo na.
I made 2-3 farms para may wood tayo.
Okay, Tony, I'm gonna lakwacha first. What's the rock for? For who?
The what?
This one. Who made this?
I made it. Para in
For
case
what?
na imbis na tumatakbo, just climb up here. It's safer up here, oh. Tapos bayanin na lang sila.
I got iron armor, thank you.
Maybe we make one more of that, Mariano.
Sige.
No, I can't afford it.
Wala na. Edi next.
A wooden gate.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna get wood. Kulang na
Yeah,
tayo
we
sa
need a lot of
wood.
wood.
Where will I put this though? Did I craft it? How do I know if I crafted it?
It's in your inventory sa baba.
I'm at the Scavenger King's
No
base.
material. I need 40 wood.
We have to do that together.
Barbed wire na lang, barbed wire.
Hindi, kaya ko to.
Sige,
Where's the
basta
entrance? There's no entrance though. Do I
Max
break
na ba
it with
tayo?
my pickaxe?
We're max na, no?
Ayun. Gago,
Oh,
inahabol mo ko.
we can make 4 beds, so allows you to skip the night if every player is sleeping.
Okay, let's do that then.
But we don't have enough wood. We need a lot of wood.
Yeah. I'll just keep making barbed wires.
Yo, crap guys, I'm dead. I'm gonna die here.
Don't make too much, ha? Sayang yung Just make a few.
Yeah.
Help me.
Bro, what happened to you?
I'm at the Scavenger King's base.
You want me to go to you?
No, I'm good. I'm just making them chase me. I'm gonna open the gate though.
You're gonna make them chase us, so we're gonna be attacked twice at the same time.
I opened it!
Wait, Marcos, they're about to come.
Gaguta by dog. They're coming!
The medkit is on
Oh
the
my
top
god,
of the
they're
tower.
actually coming!
Wait, does Tony have a weapon or no?
No!
Here, Tony, I'll craft you an axe. Here.
Tony cannot hear you. Tony! Come on, we're gonna get attacked!
Tony, grab
I accidentally opened the Scavenger King's
Grab
base.
the axe, Tony.
You
Grab the axe.
accidentally?
Tony, grab the axe.
You did that in purpose!
Get the axe, Tony, get the axe!
Here.
I'm coming!
Where Kila is. Oh, Tony has a knife na pala eh. Yo, I'm gonna climb up. Fuck.
Wait, I'm not yet there! Wait, mga pussy, wait lang. We're so dumb. Start shooting them once you see them. Oh, the spear gun doesn't work on them. Wait, the spear gun doesn't work on them. They're sliding.
You spot one.
Just kill them, yeah.
Spawn trap them one by
Kill
one.
them.
Spawn trap them one by one.
Parang kill house.
Yeah, they're
Bro,
climbing.
don't use the spear gun on them. The spear gun doesn't work, JP. Why do you have a hammer?
Wala na akong ibang weapon eh.
Sacrifice!
More! Fuck you, bitches!
There's too many.
Wait, can you kill someone with a hammer?
That's for building.
Yan!
Oh, they're dead.
They're dead, huh?
Yeah, wait, here. Put all of this in the grinder. I have all the wood. Let's all go to the scavenger base. Ayan o, final base nakalagay.
Tara,
doon.
let's go. Everybody bring food and weapon. I'll bring food.
Wait, we all need to wait. I'll get better stuff muna.
I got food.
Day 43, day 43. We need the flare gun kasi ano,
It's day 50
flare
na
gun
eh.
so people will rescue us.
Yeah, it's day 15 eh.
Oh, wait, we have to do it now. We have to do it now.
Yeah, I brought food na. Let's go. Where are you?
Is that
Pinuno mo
enough
sack
food?
mo ah. Pinuno mo.
There's enough food.
I have 5
No.
food.
I'll also put in my sack. We have to go na. There's already a ship. We need to get it with our flare gun.
Tara, let's go.
Wait, I'm getting potatoes. Kailangan natin ng snack.
Okay, done.
I have food na.
Go.
10 out of 10 na
Let's
ako.
go, let's
Okay
go,
na
let's go.
yan. I brought many fish. The big
Where's
fish.
the
Okay, follow. It says their final base. Go.
2 minutes.
Sprint.
First, Tony.
Tony, go to the base. Look, final base nakalagay doon. Go, bilis. The ship is gonna pass by. We need to get the flare gun to survive. Day 15 na to eh. You have an axe.
Oh shit, it's a shark. Oh shit.
No, leave it. Just go away from it. Sprint, just sprint. Did you bring my kit?
No.
No! Tony! Padala mo sa kay Tony. Padala mo kay
Go
Tony.
to our base, bring a med kit, go to the watchtower. Go the other way, here. Other way. Wala dyan. Nasa kabila. Dito.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Kanina
I
base, bro.
already opened the gate. Oh, they're here.
Oh shit.
Die bastards. Oh my gosh. Tony used it. You dummy. Wait, Jimmy's about to die. Give him food.
I have food.
Kumain ka!
Damn guns. He's shooting me.
Go, bait them muna here. Yung mga naka-building
Please.
here.
Huwag ka magduwag mo yan. Sugurin mo sila.
Sinusugod ko sila!
They have muskets.
Oh shit.
What's stronger, the axe or the knife?
I don't know. I'm using the knife. Wait, I need to eat my potatoes.
I died.
No, Kila's dead! No!
Shit, I'm gonna die too. There's a burger. Wait, there's a burger. in the
Wait,
thing.
are these real people?
No. I'm surrounded. Shit.
Are these real people? The one we're going
No.
against?
I'm surrounded. Fuck, bro. I'm dead.
Don't die.
There's a
Balik mo
shot.
na. Retreat muna.
Yo, I'm in the enemy's base, bro.
Wait, I'll get you, JP. I'll get you. Wait.
You
Go
have
on, bait
medkit?
the shark away.
No,
Uy,
I
magkapit
don't.
na, kailangan natin bumalik.
That's a shot. Eating me. Wait, please, have mercy. Run, JP, run.
It's
At
turning
least
night.
you can bring me. That's good.
It's turning night.
Where the hell did Mariano go?
Bro, it's
Wait,
turning night.
no,
You have to go back.
Go back.
Back.
Where the hell did Mariano go? He was MIA. Tony, follow me. Go to the shipping container. Go to the shipping container. We'll revive JP here. But first we have to do some special things to him. Sige, Tony, ikaw sa bibig ako dito. Okay, go. Revive him. Putang ina, ba't ang dami mong patatas? Wait. I'm dead. Oh, we died to the monster.
Yo, where am I?
We died to the monster. The monster ate us.
Oh, so
Oh,
paano
JP's
yan?
alive though.
No, JP's here. JP's here is alive. Tayong dalawa lang namatay. No, because when we revived him, he respawned back to base.
Ano?
Oh.
Isusugod ba namin or will I get you guys medkit?
Let's get medkit, bro. After
Yeah, let's get
night.
medkit. Sige, sige.
I'll go with you, Mariano. I'll go with you.
Okay.
Save me, okay?
Yeah. You're just under the boat lang naman.
Oh, I am?
Yeah.
Who the fuck up?
Okay, let's go, Mariano. Where are we gonna go?
Wait, let's go here. We didn't explore this area yet eh.
Oh, you want to split up?
Ikaw, kaya mo ba? Kung kaya mo,
Hindi,
Oh,
hindi
my
ako
revive time has run out.
No, ano lang yan. That's for if the Robux revive. This laptop. Hindi na ako kukuha ng kung ano-ano ha.
Oh, I got a spear.
Nice. Malakas yan.
What else do I have?
Vitamins lang eh. Slowly heals lang eh. Why on land? Ano to? Should I be concerned?
Did you search this boat na? This one?
That's where me and Tony were kanina.
The land thingy?
There's people there, careful.
Vitamins.
That can heal you.
Oh, why did I use it? Oh, no. There. It's there. Just in case.
Susugod ako.
Just go there in batches. Go to the scavenger king base in batches. Like, go there until you have HP, tas ano yun? Regen kayo, tas balik ulit.
Sa boss na mismo?
Yeah, like just go there in waves. Kasi
Where will
only
I
win the
go?
game if we beat them.
Where will I go?
Gago, namamatay na ako.
Like just go there till you have HP regen. Just go back.
Oh, there's a plane here. No, nothing here.
Gago po. Nahabol ako ng mga to. Oh, it's a whole military base here. Uy, may mga nakabaril. Huwag na. I'm out of here, man.
That's what I'm saying.
I'll just check yung mga floaties and stuff baka meron dito.
Floaties.
Do I have time pa? Yeah, medyo malapit naman ako sa rock. Sana hindi pa
Yo.
Oh, you can't get what you call this? Medkit from the bases.
Yes! I got a medkit! I'm going back!
You did? I'm trying to find one.
I found one now.
Save Tony.
Do I save
No,
you?
save Yoboy. Save Yoboy.
Well, I quit already.
Ha?
No, joke lang.
Yeah, I'm gonna go back to base.
Yeah, back to base.
Okay, I'm gonna fish. Mayan.
Sige. Yo boy, revive. Bang! Oh wait.
Okay.
Teka.
Get on the boat, Yoboy. Get on the boat.
Ayun, revive yo boy. Bang!
On the third day, you go together.
Feeling.
Feeling Jesus.
F5.
Ano, waves
Tony,
tayo.
you can leave na, Tony. You can leave na.
Pinilit mo siya maglaro?
Yeah. He wanted to leave kanina pa when he first died. I told him no.
This dude. Pinilit maglaro. Ayan, we have wood. Mag-prepare pa rin kayo ng food for our next wave. Waves na lang tayo then sige.
No, but we will sempre all attack together.
Siyempre. We were all attacking together naman kanina. Maraming patatas dito sa likod ng ano.
Day 58 na tayo and the name of the game is 50 days on a wrap.
Tara na, let's go.
So good.
Let's go. Nauna na pa kayo? Tara, let's go.
Umalis na ako.
Okay, I'm going with you.
Wait, I'm gonna raid some bases muna.
Na, what are you gonna... fire armor, ganon?
No, kasi... Ayun, I have a medkit. I'm gonna store it.
Yeah, store it sa ano mo. Or in case one of us dies, revive na agad.
Yeah.
I'll also check for you.
Cellphone, kadiri. Basura naman yan. What's this? Hot dog?
Abang
Wait
sa
lang,
mga-
JP. Huwag muna tayo a-atake. There's a big ass fish here. Hold up.
Gago, may shark.
I'm gonna go to an airplane muna. Ang daming suitcase sa airplane. Laptop. Useless. Laptop. Are these all laptops?
I'm back, boys.
Oh, are you still in the boat? Go na to the final base.
I'm here already!
Wait, I told you wait.
Uy, it's easier to kill them in the water.
Wait, gago, I went to another one. Ang dami palang tao dito. Okay, I'm gonna come.
Oh, I found a way! I'm killing them without them hurting me. Sa
Guys,
tubig.
should I go there? I'll go there.
I see mo yan. I'm gonna come with you.
Lead them to the water.
Attack.
Ba't pa ba ako?
Attack. First person, attack.
Yeah, first person, tapos
attack.
backwards. Tapos slowly move backwards.
Guys na, okay na. Yo,
Ba't ang dami na itong HP? Go to the final base thing.
what happened to Tony, bro?
He left. Bro, the guy's not dying. Ang taas ng HP neto
Sana
Bro, he's not dying. Sana ito na yung boss. Oh, let's go, we won! I got his head. Do you have his head? I got his head.
Oh, shit.
Oh, that's not gonna kill me.
Go! 1 minute. Do we go back?
I don't know. No, we have to get the chest. You have to get the chest, bro. Get the chest for the... Go, I'll distract them. Get the chest. Go, JP. Go. I'll get the... I'll
Oh, shit.
What's this?
I got the flare gun.
Go back to base. JP, run.
Uy!
There's a slash in the water.
Go.
Make a record. There's a literal slash. I have his head.
And
You guys have flare guns?
I have the flare gun.
No.
Okay.
I'm here though.
Shoot it at the ship. The ship is right here, bro. Shoot it here.
Where?
This ship is actually no. This is from our.
So I should get on the rack. It says here I should get on the rack before you.
Guys, I'm making a run for it.
Yeah, go. Bro, the fish is gonna eat us. Bro, the fish is gonna eat us.
Ate, dito muna tayo.
Uwi mo na.
Dito muna tayo.
No,
he's gonna eat that. He's gonna eat that.
I'm safe.
Mariano, why are you sounding like it's real life? Relax.
Wait, I'm still moving.
Really? I sound like it's real life.
Oh, do the pirate head. Place object. Rotate.
Okay, I'll use the flare gun.
Yo,
Yes, we won.
You want?
Oh, diba? Is JP fishing in the cutscene?
Yeah. The shark is still fishing. Let's go. On your screen, who shot the flare gun?
Me.
I shot it.
Okay. For our screens, each of us shot it.
Run
Nice
finish.
one.
You continue or what?
Press continue. See what happens. Oh, there's a part 2.
Iniwan tayo.
Oh, we have
Or
to do
back.
it all over again.
No, we don't.
Why did we press continue? Then what do we do now?
I think we survive as long as possible na lang.
Yeah.
Endless mode na to.
I think so.
Man, ayoko na.
Yeah.
Bro, we're playing this game for 1 hour straight.
My bed, so. Para makatulog ng nighttime. We have a space
Tapos
to
na
search.
ako, bro.
Yeah, I don't wanna play na.
We can play na lang bukas ulit.
You wanna play TDS?
Ngayon?
Yeah.
Antok na ako eh. Bukas na.
Bukas
Oh,
lang.
now you're doing it.